Hello lovelies, welcome back. My name is Tehja and today is episode 2 of 7 Days of a Teezy Valentine, and today is another super exciting DIY. We are DIYing a Powerpuff Girls ringer tee, but it got rhinestones on it. And so this is such a simple and easy DIY, and literally anybody can do it. If you would like to know how to DIY this Powerpuff Girls ringer tee that was inspired by Omighty, please keep on watching. So these are the timestamps for this DIY, and these are all the materials that you'll need. You will need the fabric transfers from Avery to transfer the image onto the t-shirt, rhinestones, but specifically like red, hot pink, and light pink rhinestones, an iron, rhinestone glue. I like to use the E6000 Fabri-Fuse glue, and rhinestoning tools. I have my tweezers and pencil, and also my daughter to apply the glue, and also the t-shirt, which is literally the most important. So now let's move on to the DIY portion. So now I'm like wearing the shirt, and I'm kind of trying to figure out where or how big I want the heart to be. So I'm taking my ruler and I'm gonna measure out how long I want the image to be and how wide I want the image to be. So it was pretty much about 6 by 6 inches. And so I'm gonna keep that in mind when I size it on my laptop, to make sure that the image on my laptop before I print it is 6 inches by 6 inches. Then I'm also going to mark where I want the image to start, pretty much where I'm going to place the image. And then now I'm taking out the transfer paper, and you can see what it looks like. It has like instructions and tips on the back, and then the front is the actual transfer paper, and I'm going to put that into my printer and obviously print the image. And make sure that your printer is an inkjet printer as well. So this is what it looks like. It actually came out super vibrant. So now I'm going to cut the heart out, as carefully as possible and as close as possible to the actual heart. Just making sure that I don't leave too much white spaces on it, because it will actually transfer onto the t-shirt. So now I'm actually going to take a pillowcase, and I'm going to use that to iron on top of, because you have to iron the heart onto the shirt. So first I'm going to iron the shirt flat just to make sure there's no wrinkles, because you don't want any wrinkles on the heart. So then I'm going to place the heart face down onto my t-shirt and then iron the image horizontally and vertically for like 3 minutes straight. And just make sure that you press down and really make sure that it transfers onto the t-shirt, and all the ink and whatever transfers is on the t-shirt. So then after you're finished ironing, wait about 2 minutes for everything to cool down, and then after 2 minutes you actually peel carefully the paper off and reveal your transfer. If anything starts to lift up, then you can put the paper back over it and then iron it again so it can iron flat and make sure that it's stuck onto the t-shirt. So then I'm peeling it off, and voila, there is the heart. It's like magic. And so this is what the t-shirt looks like, and it's really cute just like that. But y'all know me, I have to put rhinestones on it. So this is the set of rhinestones I got, and I'm taking the light pink rhinestones, the hot pink rhinestones, and the red rhinestones, and I'm going to use that for my t-shirt. This is kind of like my rhinestoning setup. I got my rhinestones, I got my tools, and I got my glue. And I'm going to take my daughter and place the glue onto the heart. And yeah, I'm going to kind of use the glue to kind of map out where I want the rhinestones to be before I actually put the rhinestones on. So after you put the glue down, then you just put the rhinestones on top. So we're first starting out with the light pink. Oh, and also during this time, because I did have a faux pas with the transfer, because some of it did lift up and it wasn't looking too cute. So I'm just using like rhinestones to cover up those problem areas. I'm starting off with light pink, and I'm just dotting glue onto the light pink portion, and then putting the light pink rhinestones on top. And I pretty much do that for the whole heart, and I'm not rhinestoning wall to wall like I normally do. Like, I'm just scattering rhinestones all over the heart, instead of it being like a full rhinestone heart. But if you want to do that, that'll be cute too, but it's just way more labor intensive, and I kind of wanted to give myself a break for once. And so for the rest of the video, I'm just gonna be rhinestoning, and I'm gonna let music play, and let y'all enjoy watching me rhinestone and making this heart even more beautiful.
Type beats, got that heat.
Now I'm going to rhinestone the other light pink portion of the shirt.
Type beats, got that heat. Type beats, got that heat. Type beats, got that heat.
Also, just a little note, the hot pink rhinestones actually didn't match, but it actually worked out pretty well because, you know, it's all in the same color family. But you can't tell on camera, but in person, like, it's more of like a fuchsia color instead of like a hot pink. But it still turned out really, really cute. So that's what the heart and the whole t-shirt looks like when it's finished. Okay, so this is how the t-shirt came out, and it looks so freaking cute. Like, I feel like the rhinestones add such a unique touch to this version of the Powerpuff Girls heart t-shirt. Like, I honestly want to wear this like every day. You know, if you recreate this DIY, please tag me on Instagram at Teezy Season. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This concludes episode 2 of 7 Days of a Teezy Valentine. And please stay tuned for episode 3. That'll be posted tomorrow. Anyway, please love yourself, and I'll see you next video. Mwah!